Yep, definitely. So what we have is a Intel Smart connected helmet in collaboration with BMW and their C-Evolution electric scooter. What this allows us to do is to wirelessly communicate to the bike, receiving the signals from the bike and sending them to the helmet. So one of the things that we've done is we've actually integrated the LEDs into the back of the helmet. So what that allows us to do is, for instance, when we turn the hazards on, we'll see that the hazards on the helmet also respond. So this increases rider visibility and safety while the rider's out on the road. In addition to that, we also have implemented a always listening voice recognition system that allows us to ask information about the bike or send information to the bike. So some of the stuff that we might ask is what my range is so that we avoid running out of battery while we're out on the road. Or another thing that we might do is actually turn our indicators off with our voice rather than using our hands. This allows us to keep our eyes on the road and not have to get distracted by looking at our dash for that kind of information. So, if you will, I'll go ahead and take it off mute. So it has a trigger that it's listening for. Hello, smart bike. Hello, smart bike. Hello, smart bike.
Hello.
Range.
Range is 67 kilometers.
So it's able to tell us that information, so again, we can keep our eyes on the road. Hello, smart bike.
Hello.
Right turn signal on.
Turning right signal on.
So we'll see the right turn signal turns on, and on the helmet, we also have the right turn signal on. In addition, we're also connected to a GoPro. This allows us to also wirelessly communicate to a GoPro. Inside the helmet, we actually have an Intel Edison, which is doing all of the compute on board, as well as the speech engine recognition, which is also developed internally by Intel. So let's see if we can get the camera to work for us. So the camera's already turned on, so we'll actually ask it to start recording. Hello, smart bike. Hello, smart bike.
Hello.
Start recording now.
Start recording.
So we see the GoPro turns on. Hello, smart bike. Hello, smart bike. End recording. And we're able to stop the recording. So what's really nice about this is, again, we don't have to stop our bike, turn our GoPro on, stop our bike, turn our GoPro off, but we can actually wirelessly control it with our voice, which is really cool.
Thank you.